Recently, the American president described some other African countries as shitholes. Do you think Zimbabwe, 37 years after independence, is in that category?
We should fix our country. That's what we should do. We should stop listening to people who are getting exercised about, people who are insulting us and so on. Look, what does that change? There are some people who even encourage, let's demonstrate. Demonstrate against what? Look, we just need to fix our country. Other people, they are exercising whatever the right they have to call us whatever. But really, the person in Murambinda doesn't care that Trump said our country is what. It's actually people in the cities a lot of times and who are on social media and so on who get very worked up about that. Look, get more worked up about the situation of people in our locations, not about what Trump says. Get worked up about how people are dying in hospitals because there's no medical care. Get more worked up about the fact that a president who says, I'm taking the country in a new direction, would buy cars for chiefs instead of actually saying, okay, chiefs, you are here. Look at the leadership capital that's there. 200 and something chiefs are there. Okay, here's what we're going to do, guys. Instead of buying new cars, whatever is allocated for that, I want to give you this money to set up a hospital in your chieftaincy. I mean, we need a change of the way that we think. So whatever Trump calls our country, we must fix our country. That's our responsibility.